Gumroad for digital product creators. Are you ready to turn your digital creations into cash? Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to start selling your digital products online, and in today's video, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. If you're a beginner, Gumroad is a game changer. It's easy to set up, works for both digital and physical products, and even comes with built-in tools like email marketing and affiliate programs. You can literally start selling within minutes. Step 1 is super simple. Head over to gumroad.com, click Start Selling, and create your account. Once you're logged in, hit the Add a Product button to get started. Next, decide what you're selling. If you've created an ebook, course, or template, choose digital products. Gumroad also supports physical products, so if you're selling merch or prints, you're covered. Gumroad offers flexible payment options: one-time payments for standalone products, subscriptions for memberships, or pre-orders if your product isn't ready yet. Choose the one that fits your business model. Your product title and description matter. Highlight the problem your product solves and the value it provides. Then set your price. Start low if you're new, and increase as demand grows. Gumroad makes it easy to design a clean, professional sales page. Add images, videos, and text to showcase your product's benefits. Keep it simple and focused. Once your product is live, share the unique link with your audience. Use Gumroad's built-in marketing tools. Integrate with ConvertKit for email, follow UPS, set up an affiliate program, and share your product on social media. These tools can help you skyrocket your sales. Let's quickly cover some FAQs. How long does it take to set up? Less than 10 minutes. Can you sell both digital and physical products? Absolutely. And yes, Gumroad handles payment processing, so no need to worry about PayPal or Stripe setups. Gumroad is perfect for beginners who want a fast, hassle-free way to start selling digital products. If you're ready to turn your passion into profits, sign up today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.